Steam train, dream train. In mighty engine, wondrous sight. The smokestack puffs, the big wheels grin, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang, the bell rings on the top. Hissing, the stream breaks when it stops. The whistle blasts at the dust of night. The crew sighs and the boxes doors and the tumbles out of the chores. The whirl can cartwheel jump into a cargo store in the bump. Tankers line in the row and greeting field in panics to go. The whistle blowing, but the crew still had some work to do. I'm just going to read that much, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.
This is Maddie and Dom. Bye.